Suppose you want us to make a software to register the patients in your clinic. You would like to perform all the operations through the administration panel from your home or office or even a mobile phone. And you want to inform the patients about the registration process via email. Lovely! As an example, I will show you our last project, the application dedicated for supporting events. You will see that we have an experience in this topic and that you can trust us. This is our application Event app, which was already used twice for the event in the Conference and Congress Center ICE Krakow. We found it for the registration of the guests to the event. I will show you briefly how it works. There are two ways to enter the guest list. The first one is as follows: the guests register themselves through the form on the website. Another way is to import extend guest list directly to the system. Let's start with the first option. At the beginning, I go to the administration panel, the command center for the entire application. Then I send an email with the link to the form of the potential guests. Here I can add some people to which I want to send the registration form. Then I send. And it's done. Suppose I am a guest. I open my email with the registration link. I fill the form according to the instructions. And I send my request. Immediately I receive a barcode, which is my pass to the event. Then I receive a confirmation email and automatically generated the final invitation with the same barcode, which I got before. And now I am registered to the event. With this invitation I can go to the event. I can print it or present on my mobile phone. Okay, as the administration I can see every single registration that was made. I can check all the details about the accommodation or whether guests come with somebody or alone. Okay. The second way to enter the guest list is to import external database of guests. This is incredibly easy. I prepare a sample database with 100 guests so we can input into the system. I go to the administration panel, then I import my Excel database with one button click. And our guest list is ready. However, in this scenario, we need to have the guest list before. To send the official invitation to the guest, again, we use one button here. Alright, there was two ways to enter the guest list to the system. Now the very last thing. A few days before the event, the administration might want to send a reminder email about the upcoming event. You simply again check people and just one click. Here, it's done. Okay, now the big day today, our event takes place. The girls come along with the invitations on their mobiles or paper sheets. At the door they are welcomed by gorgeous hostess, and each of them has a tablet by which they are scanning the invitations. Our mobile application installed on the tablets immediately registers the guest by scanning the barcode which is on the invitation, just like if you were boarding the airplane. So, here is how it works. By the way, this is our tool to work with the clients at the same time on the application PON network. And now it is a mirroring, as you can see here. It is a terrific tool. Never mind. The hostess scans the invitation. And then she sees all the information about the guests. She can guide him to the right place, like a sector, for example. Now I will show you how our algorithm of registration works fast. So let's try to register me. Okay, it's complete. And now check this administration panel. And it's done. It's one invitation, two people, because me and my accompanying person, I mean my wife. Now you can see how fast it is. Okay. In the case when the guest forgot his invitation, the hostess can use the search option. And here she can type some ID and name. Let's try a test, for example. And it is correct, I'm registered. Okay. The administrator doesn't need to be present at the event anymore. He or she can just sit on the cozy room with their mobile phone and keep eye on how the guests are coming in. On the next day, the administrator can make summary report or register, again just one click. As you can see, that is our registration. So that was our dual, that is mobile and web application called EventApp. Now you can see how easy it is. I hope that now you trust me that we will manage with the application for your clinic.